Hello YouTube. We're just here to give you guys a quick look at this Hifonics Zeus amp and these American Bass. We'll be going up into the install I'm doing today. So it's a Zeus amp with 4-channel. It's a Zeus amp with the 4-channel. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. You want a quick video? I mean, that's in there pretty tight, y'all. Man, you. All right, we back. Check it out, y'all. This is a much bigger amp than I thought it was. We'll do a quick measurement on y'all real quick. But dang. I mean, for a 4-channel amp, y'all, man. It's only like 1,000 watts, too. Let's see. It's about 10 inches. 10 inches. I'm going to say about 10 inches by 12. Let's check out the connections to it. That's your ground, power and remote. Those are the connections for the speakers right there. It comes with two 35 amp fuses, man. Like this amp is like kind of like shockingly good. And for the price point, man, it's really worth it. Got your low pass, high pass. We ain't gonna be using the bass. You know, got the gain level right there on the other end. All right. And let's check out these 6x9s too. Everything is a struggle, y'all. These is the American Bass 6x9s. Bullets. Digging both of them, y'all. Alright, y'all. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, smash the like button. If you're new and want to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.